Mint Mobile's Wi-Fi calling uses your Wi-Fi network for calls and texts when cellular signal is weak. The main reasons it keeps turning off are battery optimization settings that kill background processes, app crashes or bugs within the Mint Mobile app, or your phone's OS, switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks causing disconnections, or outdated software. Mint Mobile's implementation relies on T-Mobile's network and can be affected by mismatched APN settings or background restrictions on your device. Keeping your OS and Mint Mobile app up to date is key to stability. First, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and then on again in your phone settings and restart your device. Next, ensure your APN is set to fast.tmobile.com and enable enhanced 4G LTE in your cellular settings. Disable Battery Saver for the phone dialer app and the Mint Mobile app. Within the Mint Mobile app, check the Wi-Fi calling section and reset if necessary. Use the Wi-Fi calling stability mode if available. Test with different Wi-Fi networks to rule out router issues or IP conflicts.